I need Rhonda to cut this stuff for me. But probably what I'm going to do is I'm going to go off camera. And I'm going to sit around and cut this stuff up because it's going to take me quite a long time to do this. It's going to take me a long time to cut this stuff up. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk to y'all for a little while because I got to meet my quota. My husband said every time I go on live, I got to be on. I'll be on for 2 hours. So I'm not disappointing him today. I'm just going to be on for 2 hours. Since he wanted to be slick about the mouth, let me be on. Because my husband be cracking me up. Y'all, and I'm just cutting these things right here. Because when I tell you, whew, you have to really love to do stuff to be able to go through it and deal with it. But I do. Y'all, when y'all go to my page, can y'all see, I changed the channel art on it. Can y'all look at it? I'm going to call Beverly and tell her to check out your video. Baby says, thank you. Call her. That's why I call them my partners in crime and crafting. Yes, but after a while, I always had to tell them and cut. I did it the other day. You missed it. I did it the other day. I was like, and cut. That was so very impromptu when we did that. And cut. That was funny. That was funny. When I tell y'all, Rhonda be having me crack up. She be cracking me up. She be cracking me up. Something wrong with her. It had to be something wrong with her to work here. That was hilarious. I don't even know. That just came up out of nowhere. I don't even know what we were doing when we did that. When we was like, and cut. Beverly never gonna forget that. And cut. I mean, Minda. I said Beverly. Minda never gonna forget that.
What?
And cut.
When we was on Susquehanna Avenue, and I was showing you how to do stuff. That's what?
Y'all know Rhonda always showing me how to do stuff, right?
Here.
Go find your own scissors.
That is it. You want me to help you? You tell me to go find some scissors.
Yes.
Huh.
There were 2 people doing it to make it go faster.
Where the strip at? Where's it at?
Hold on, Gina. Calm down. They all gotta be this size. Let me tell y'all about this glue on this thing right here. The glue is sticking to the scissors.
Took your meds?
Not yet.
All right.
What's in your arm?
Oh, okay.
What?
Your
stomach sick?
Well, you know, I had that diarrhea.
Oh, yeah.
Is that the limb?
Nope, it's a little bit shorter. It's one. It's.
Well, you gotta bling all this out anyway, so I can use that to. You got to bling that whole thing out.
Here she go, y'all. She's starting. Here she go. All right. The good thing I got a lot of this stuff. You were having one of your infamous ruckus. We always. It's not normal if we don't have a ruckus, a heated discussion. It's not normal if we don't. That shit. Uh-oh. Grab the phone. It fell. Let's see. Is this correct?
Yeah.
Where do I cut it? Right here? Right here? Did that phone fall again?